Yes, yes, I am completely aware that I'm at a car wash at night. Kind of weird, but it's perfect lighting. You gotta admit. And where I live at in the country, I have no lighting, and my garage is a mess. I really can't get in there due to the bikes and all the other vehicles that's in the way. So I just came here. Plus, I need to clean it out. So let's get started. Well, welcome back everybody to How Did It Garage to another episode of, or the first episode of Project LS Fest. So I'm going to start doing a series leading up to LS Fest. It's going to be called Project LS Fest, and the project is this at the moment. Eventually I'm going to do the 86 Camaro. I plan on doing a twin turbo setup, go of 1,000 horsepower. Might race it, might not, probably so, but that's the go. But for now, I got this. Project LS Fest ain't going to be nothing crazy due to budget issues, but my goal is to make this truck better each year, and I might just add something small to it each time in Project LS Fest just to make it a little bit better each year. Let's jump into it and I'll show you what all I got going on and all the plans I got to try to accomplish in the next 2 months. So, stuff I plan on doing to it is I plan on putting these polyurethane bushings in it that I got from High Performance Components off Amazon. Actually, almost all this stuff I got off Amazon besides these. Bottom mounts are shot. They're pretty much toast, non-existent, so I plan on putting these in there. Exhaust tips, because at the moment I just have the exhaust ran over the rear end and it's dumped. I want to put these on. Got these off Amazon. I liked them. I think they're going to look good with what I got. I had one injector go bad on me, number 7, when I first got it running. Replaced this, got it working. This was $100. Came across all these for $50. Craigslist. Bought them all. So I plan on putting these in there, taking the ones out, clean those up, have those as backup. But $50, you can't beat it. It's a good deal, had to buy it. Then I got this wideband sensor. I need to hook this up so I can try to attempt to tune it. Put the bong in there so I can hook everything up. Some of the wires I've already got ran. I need to get this in there so I can tune it. That's why I got HP tuners to begin with, so I can tune it. Then I got that. I got a row pan I plan on putting on. I plan on putting exhaust right here and right there on the other side of it. Like that. So I plan on putting this on first, then doing the exhaust so it can come out on each side of where the license plate is. So this is it. What I got is a 92 Chevrolet S10 LS swap, of course, or else I won't be speaking about LS Fest. Got the rocks off the 86 Camaro on here because I like them. Interior is shot. It has a salvage title due to all the hail damage done to it. Bed's messed up there. Tail light's real dingy. Dented up tailgate. Not to make this political or anything, but go with the interior. My plan is to fill up the carpet, pull the seat out. I'm going to keep using the seat for now until I get a new one. I want to put down sound deadening mat or tape of some sort. I need to redo all this eventually. I do have everything for it, but I mean the dash looks horrible anyway, so I just left it all out because I still need to run the vacuum lines to the switches for the AC and everything to work. I needed a radio, so I did this. It works for now. I have a subwoofer here, because I had to take the subwoofer out, and I'll show you that here in a sec. Makeshift center console that I need to get this put in permanently. It's dusty. I ain't been driving this for a while since I got the Malibu running. I'll probably end up fabricating something to go onto the seat, so whenever I slide the seat forward and backwards, this will go with it. I'm not sure I want to do that. I want to keep this. This was the gear shifter in the 4-cylinder when I had it. This is my grandfather's wrench that he used to work on semis, so it's kind of sentimental. I want to keep this in here. I still have the hole underneath it because it was a 5-speed. This is the shifter cable right here. So I need to run that correctly and permanently also. And I'm going to do all this whenever I pull the carpet up. I have a shallow mount subwoofer in a box that my dad made. It's perfect for this. So I can slide the seat all the way back because I don't want the seat to be forward. That's the big issue whenever you put a subwoofer in here. But when we put my battery back here, now I don't have enough room because of the jack mount. So I got to cut that out, get rid of that so I can slide the box over. Mice has been having a field day in here also. Let's get underneath the hood. Alright, as far as the motor, I don't have a whole lot of stuff I plan on doing. I do have some injectors. I'll show that here in a second. I plan on redoing the injectors. This is not sealed up properly. I just put this in here and kind of sealed it up the best I could so I could have heat in the wintertime. But I need to get that situated. Really need to run lines to this to get the AC working and get the wires hooked up for it. I need to fabricate a actual box for this to have a cold air intake. I just have this metal here to kind of block the heat from getting to it as much as possible. Need to do that. That's probably going to be a winter project. I'll probably end up putting the ECU in the cab and redoing the wiring harness because that's just a mess. This is my first one. I'm really proud of it because it worked, but it looks horrible over here. I need to do that. Also, as you can see from the thumbnail, I have some 22-inch wheels sitting next to the truck. My goal is to take the tires off of those and see if they're going to fit. If they do fit without rubbing, I want to get some rubber bands on it and put them on there pretty much just for LS Fest. I'm not going to drive around with 22s on my S10. That's just, it's non-functional for me. But I do like bigger rims. I like the way it looks. So I'm going to try to put those on there for at least LS Fest. But pretty much going to wrap it up. Project LS Fest. Till next time.